Hey guys, welcome to my channel Yo Bhai. So I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to do the unboxing of OnePlus Buds Z. Last day I did the unboxing about Boat Extend smartwatch. So I just purchased the OnePlus Buds Z from Amazon. So let's start.
Find the things I lack. I don't ever wanna lose you now.
Okay, so as usual I have the invoice inside. Let's just keep it aside. So this is the box, OnePlus Buds Z with the OnePlus logo at the top. It's the white color edition. It also comes in another color edition which is gray. So the packaging is very nice. It's a bit heavy also. Let me just check the backside. So the maximum retail price is 3,199. So I purchased it from Amazon at only 2,999 rupees. So it says it has one buds inside, one charging cable, four ear tips, user guide, in safety warranty card, red label card. So let's just open this up. Okay. Okay, something written at the side also. Like it has boost, 20 hours of battery life, water and sweat resistant, comfortable and cool design, seamless connectivity. Wow. So the first look is the capsule. So I'm keeping it aside for a moment. Let me just check what's inside the box. Okay, there are some more things inside. Okay, here it's written as buds for life. So let me just open this up. They have many documentations with the type C charging cable. This is so nice for the OnePlus. Now what we have else? So what we have here, we have the safety and warranty, we have the user manual, and yeah, we have the red cable card as well from the OnePlus. So that's all. So yeah, we have the ear tips as well. They have provided us with different types of size and all. So let me just open this up. Yeah, silicone ear tips. It's pretty nice. So as of now, let's keep all such things aside and let's look at the buds. Okay, so this is the bud, OnePlus Bud Z. Let me just open it up. The packaging is very nice. It's not so much heavy. It has a weight, so not that much. It has the LED indicator here. It has the type C port at the back from where you can charge. It has also a reset button at the back as well. So yeah, the LED glows. This sound is like a satisfying sound for me because I have another buds as well, which is the Boat one. So this sound is pretty much perfect. So these are the buds. So wow, these are like awesome buds. Let me just take out all. These are the buds. These are pretty awesome. Okay, so in my OnePlus, I am getting the pop-up as OnePlus Bud Z. I myself use a OnePlus phone as well. I have OnePlus 6T with me. So I have connected my buds and the pop-up came up successfully. I need to just save it up. Yeah, I think everything is set. Yes, in the Bluetooth range, it's just showing me the left uh, earbud has 100% charge with and the right earbud has 100% charge as well. So let me just connect it and listen to some music. Okay, so I'm listening to a song and it's pretty loud. The bass is perfect as well. And in my ear, it's not at all heavy. It's too much light and nice and awesome. So I just listened some music with these earbuds, and these are pretty nice. These does not even feel heavy in my ears at all. The ear tips fit very easily also, and the bass is so much crystal clear, so much perfect, and I just love these buds. And this is very lightweight also, and the and a great feature which I got that whenever you play any music and these buds are in your ears, like plugged into your ears, so the music is being playing, that's nice. But as soon as you just plug out from your ears, the music will automatically get stopped, and the time you plug into your ears again, the music will automatically start playing up. So that's all for today. So I'm just enjoying my buds. I'm just putting up inside the case again. So before using it, I need to charge it up fully, and it's a very nice capsule, so it's perfect. So that's all, guys. If you love the video, do hit the like button once, do share the video, and also don't forget to click on the subscribe button as well. So thank you, guys. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye. And you know my tagline, khao piyo or ash karo.
It's you and only you.